So this is what you're gonna see when you create a new project. So as you can see, it's like it doesn't have anything, and we don't really need this. So this just delete it. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna um, create a global variable. So I'm just gonna copy it because I really don't wanna type everything again. So here. So this is our global variable. This will be the one that will be like uh that will be holding the values that we are gonna be putting in the calculator. So since this is the variable, we need something that will put the value into the variable. So we're gonna create a setter method. So this one, set num. So what this method is gonna do is like this part is this method is gonna take some a string, and then it will check the string if it's empty or not. Then it will determine if it's like what value how we're gonna put the number that we are gonna be like passing into this um, method. So like this will all make sense once we're gonna make once we are finished with everything, including with the GUI. So for now, just copy this one. You can type it, or you can then. So yeah, also I almost forgot. We also need the constructor for the class here. So we're gonna put this here. I'm gonna paste it. This is not actually, so change this to, you have to change this into the name of your like the project. So mine is simple calc, so I'm just gonna use simple calc, and then the parentheses here. This is the constructor. So we're done with the global variable, and then the constructor, and then this setter method. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna copy the equal method. So like this is gonna be the method that we'll be calling if we when we put the equal button. Everything will make sense if we done the GI. So for now, what we're doing is just we're just creating the Java class in which we are like most of the process will be undertaken. So this is the set operation. So this method will set the will determine will identify what process are we using. So if the calculator like now if you click in the times in the calculator, so this will be the one that will identify that you will be that the times is the one that you are picking. So this is, and this the last one, this is the, so as you can see, it's the clear function. So this is the method that we are be calling if we want to like reset the calculator. So you can pause it and then like type, or like this is the Java class that so now we're gonna be doing the GUI. So right click in this one, right click, new, then JFrame form. I'm just gonna name it GUI calc. Finish. So here's the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna take this text field. So here will be the string that we are gonna be like passing and then like getting the in order to like calculate. So edit text. Let's take the and then let's change the variable name into text. And then what we're gonna do is so in order to so we're gonna set it's actually preferable that we set this the text field into non-editable. So so in order to manipulate the data that we're in order to put data and then manipulate it in, so we're gonna need buttons. We're gonna use buttons. Use buttons. We're gonna pick the size. So this one, oh no. So we're gonna copy this one, then paste. Paste. Then paste. Also copy this, then paste. Paste. And then paste. So now we're gonna put the labels in the button. So edit text, this one we're gonna set this into 0 and then change variable name. Let's make it to num0. This one we're gonna make this into clear. So this button will be the one oh, that will clear the data. And then we're gonna assign this one into the equal button. Then change variable name equal. Did I change this one? No, you gotta change the variable name to clear. So gonna change the text. This we will assign this to 1. Change variable name num1. Num1. Okay. This we're gonna assign this into num2. Edit text, this will be 2. Change variable name, we're gonna make this into the num3. Text 3. So change this variable name into This one, change variable. This is num3. This button, we're gonna assign this into 4 and change variable num4. Okay. Edit text. This button will be 5. Change variable num5. Edit text 6. So we're just gonna do this one until 9. It's num6. Edit text. This is number 7. Change variable name num7. Edit text 8. Variable. This is num8. And this is 9. Now, oh, what is left is the operation. So we're gonna start this one. We're gonna make this into button 4 plus, then change variable name. Let's just name this plus, and then the text. This is minus. Change variable name minus. This is the text. So we're gonna assign this one to times. Change variable name times, and lastly divide. Now we're done with the GUI. Let's now do the code for the buttons. Just double click, it will automatically direct you. Yeah, it created the action. So here we're gonna do this one, copy again. So now 0. See, let's just take this one and paste it here. Oh yeah, we haven't initiated this one. So this one is just here. Let's put this one. We have to initiate this one. So since I named my Java class into simple calc, so what I'm gonna do is simple calc equals calc is equals to new simple calc. Why is this? Why? Seems like there's an error. Public GUI calc. Not this one, right? Yeah, that. So what this is basically doing, so this one string uh, st.getText, we are actually getting what is written here in this text field. So we're gonna, once in the demonstration, we're gonna see actually how it works. So we're gonna see, and then we are calling this one, this setnum, the one that we set as setter, this one setnum. So what we are sending is the string, which is what we get in the text field, and then the zero. This one will the number that uh, determines what number we're putting. So this identifies what button has been clicked, and then once everything has been like, once all of this has run, it will return, and then it will display here. So we're gonna continue here. So that was zero, then we're gonna click one, this here. So we're just gonna copy this, copy, and then paste. The only difference is we're just gonna change this one from zero, since this is the button for number one. We're gonna put one here. Yeah, just do it for all the numbers from 0 to 9. So I'm just gonna do it right now. 0, this is num2, this is num2, paste, then change this into number 2 again. So num3, paste, then set this to 3, next is 4, 4, paste again. Yeah, we're just gonna do it until 9. Double click, paste, then change this to number 5, this side, number 6, just paste, change this to 6, now for 7, yeah, paste, then change that to 7, oh, 7, 8, 3. The variable name is not right. It should be num 8. Good. So for num 8, copy, and paste, then change this to 8. Now for the number 9, for the number 9, 9. So done. We are done with the numbers, so let's wait. Oh, okay. Yeah, I should make sure that you name this. So right now, we're gonna try to check if all the buttons now actually work. All the number buttons. So we're gonna run file. Wait, like 1,000 years. Okay. So yeah, so 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, all work. So obviously, since we didn't put anything in these buttons yet, it didn't work. But so let's put functions for these other buttons now. So close. Since we're gonna let's do the operation. So we're gonna start first with plus. Double click. I'm just gonna copy it. This one. This one. No. This one. Wait. So I'm gonna copy the plus. So this one. Copy this one. Copy. We're gonna paste it here. Paste. So this is a plus action. Make sure this one actually corresponds the um, operations that you are using in the button. So okay. So next is the minus. This one. Highlight here. Paste. Then change this one into minus. Minus. Oops. Minus. Then the time. I'm gonna go to times. Times. Time. Paste here. Paste. This will be times. Then lastly the divide. Paste here. Change this one into divide. Divide. So now we're done with the operations. Let's do the equal and declare buttons. The equal button is just copy this one. So this one, this one. Then paste it here. Paste the equal. Count that equal. Then finally declare. And this one. Declare button. Paste. So now we're done with the functions for all the buttons. Let's test again if everything actually works now. So again, let's run the file and wait for another 1,000 years. So as you can see, we only have little um, codes here because all of the processes is actually happening right in this class. We're just calling the appropriate methods and then giving the string, and then this class actually holds now the processes. So if you just if you didn't if you didn't keep up with the step by step guide, you can just always pause the video. So yeah. Now Okay, so let's try 1 plus 2 equals 3. Yeah, so minus. So yeah, that's the step-by-step guide in simple calculator in NetBeans. Thank you.